But that doesn't mean that we can't all go.
Mommy and Blaine are gonna walk to the park.
Yeah, you got balance on one foot.
I'm having a stroke. We're in the park and we go into snack. Well, I'm not. No, he has.
Yeah, exactly.
Clear style. No, it's the eclipse. He's got it.
Stand there. Yep, I got it. It was on the ground. It was pretty neat. What Zoom is that?
Like 2000. I started recording when it was out of the frame, and
Can I
it's
streak
gonna
through the image?
cross.
Through the
No,
shot?
no, you
I wouldn't
can't.
see anything.
Can't photobomb the clips?
No photo bombs, please. It's going really slowly.
But you're videoing it.
I am.
I mean, you'd have to be videoing it for a while.
I don't know, but I couldn't.
Yeah, I mean, this has only been, I don't know, a few minutes. It's going.
Yeah, I remember the last time we saw one. Like it looks black now, but then your eyes adjust, and then it starts looking red or brown.
Oh yeah, does it have
Like this
to cover a
isn't
bit more?
because this is
to
just
get
the
red?
partial eclipse, right?
Okay.
And the full eclipse doesn't start till 9/11.
9/11.
It's still like 50 minutes away.
Oh,
That's when
you're
it
saying,
actually turns black.
So does that darkness go all the way across it?
Yeah.
And then our eyes readjust, and then there's a
And it
second
looks red.
crossing?
Yeah,
Okay. This is what the penumbra,
yeah. This is just like the partial shadow.
the bent shadow.
It's just right now our eyes see it as black because it's so bright.
Hey, it's mostly in there now. This is exciting. I think last time I never made it to the.
Oh, there was birds. That was cool.
Oh my
Good clip,
god.
man.
Daniel, did you see that?
Yeah, the birds.
Yeah, we just recorded birds crossing the moon.
It seems to like keep going in and out of focus though.
It's
just me?
on manual focus.
Yeah. So
That just could be like cloudy, misty stuff in front
I
of
think that
it.
you can see it moving now.
Yeah, it's
Kind of scary.
it's yeah,
It's like, and that's the Earth moving
awesome.
just 200 times faster.
Yeah. You forget it moves, you know?
Well, because you can't perceive it on.
Or it moves.
Yeah.
It's like a cookie.
4 red velvet cheesecake.
If I don't go insane with
Well,
impatience, I would like it to go off the other side.
Yeah. Like you want, but you don't want to move the camera. That's what
Yeah.
you're saying.
Like I set it up before it was even in the shot. I'm like, I think it'll cross the frame,
Yeah.
and it's come in from the
really nice.
corner.
From each other first.
Today we went to Huffalo.
I was worried that I wouldn't have had enough warm clothing, but
What's that?
it's not
Where is
too bad.
that?
Yeah.
Buffalo.
It's cold, but it's not windy.
That's from
Yeah.
Harry Potter.
If this had been yesterday, it would have been a disaster.
It's the same dome.
Yesterday we were at Oakhammock Marsh, and I had like the light tripod, and even on the tripod it was just like,
Yeah. It's pretty freaking windy.
yeah.
This is this video.
Oh, it's
That's
just a big
yeah.
movie. And then when it's done, I'll speed it up, and you'll see the moon go.
But it'll be out of the shot before it fully.
Eclipses, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
right,
this is
because you
even-
don't have enough. Yeah.
This is even just the partial.
Yeah.
I'm surprised at how
When you can see this moving, like you can watch it move.
The line.
That's 200 times.
What's 200 times?
What's that?
What's 200 times?
Your lens?
Oh, it's 2,000.
Oh, 2,000.
2,000 millimeter. I don't know what like
2,000
times that is.
Yeah.
I don't know how it converts.
Yeah.
It's not a restaurant, like more like a cafeteria.
I never really thought it's kind of handy as like a TV.
Gather around.
Yeah, we can just watch that instead of the real thing.
They have, I think it's better to have
Everything's
lunch
better
than
on
say
TV.
waffles.
Everything's better on TV.
You saw the menu too?
The
moon is the star
Yeah,
tonight.
last time.
Yeah.
But we didn't eat any food there.
Yeah, I saw
There's a thing I can take off so then it zooms out halfway. It
Right.
might be better.
For the next
nice
video.
Yeah.
like sandwich, but it
Once
was
this
just,
one
like,
goes out,
the
I'll
same
take a
thing
few
as we did.
pictures and then set it back up.
Exactly the same thing.
You should go look at a telescope.
Like,
It's cheap.
Ooh.
super humble.
See it
Yeah.
bigger.
Oh
We
yeah.
did have like a local Manitoba
Maybe.
free range egg, and then we could add it. So you're like, sure.
Have you guys seen Sharice's bike before?
No,
You know, I
no,
thought-
because I
I
said
thought
oh,
it was
scooter,
more like
but
a bicycle,
Okay.
but it's
Yeah, these
very
ones-
I
scooter.
forgot it was an
Yeah.
electric bike, and I just thought it was a scooter.
Yeah.
Well, it wouldn't make any noise to you push it here. Right. And I remember the ones at the campground, but they looked more like bicycles, just
Right.
like a bike. They didn't look as much like a scooter.
Yeah,
There's
they
like a
call
helmet
mine
holder.
electric
Yeah.
assist. This one we call a scooter, but it's still electric. I mean, it looks like it could be gas powered, but
Yeah.
it doesn't.
It's got pedals.
Yeah, and it does have
Oh,
pedals.
and it has pedals.
Hi.
Open up.
Did you guys look through it?
Oh yeah, it's really good. It's sort of like
Yeah. Something awesome about having binoculars. Like when you can use both your eyes at the same time. It's so much better than just one.
Yeah, a moped?
Oh,
No,
it's almost
an
out.
electric bicycle.
Serious?
Yeah, look, it's got pedals.
you should park yours up there, and you both of you could get two of them.
If only we were selling them.
Yeah, right.
These have been all over the world for like 30 years.
That's a moped then.
No, it's a bicycle.
There we go.
Really? What's
Yeah.
a moped?